Good morning students. Continuation of data file handling. In last video I told about the input output operations on text file. In this video I am going to explain you input output operations on binary file. IO operations on binary file. So what are the functions that we will use in order to perform IO operations on binary file? There are two functions. One is write off function. One is write off. Second one is read off. There are two functions. One is write off. Second one is read off. Now we are going to study about write off function. What is the purpose of write off function? What is the syntax of write off function? And what is the example? Okay. It is used to write binary data to file. So about this I am explaining. It is used to write binary data to a file. Binary data to a file. What kind of file it is? Binary file. Okay. Now we will see the syntax. We will see the syntax. Syntax of write off. Write off syntax, you can observe here clearly. Off stream. In no other subject you have these many programming parts. Off stream, object, off stream, object, dot, write, char, write, char. What we are writing? That one. Asterisk, that value. Continuation, there is no space for writing here. Ampersand, variable, address, in which address we are going to write down. Then size of variable. When you see example, it will be easy for you. Size of variable. Size of variable. Okay. Size of the variable and semicolon is there. So off stream object. Okay. Off stream object and write operations. No. So what character we are going to write? Asterisk value. Here ampersand variable name means memory name. Ampersand means address. Size means how many number of bytes it will occupy. So it will be much more clear for you when I tell the example of write off. So let us see an example here. Student yes means for this class we created an object called yes. Now off stream, many syntaxes are there. Practice. Off stream, f out. Stream object is f out. F out means file out. F out means file out. F out. std dot dat. Okay, std dot dat means this is the file name. File name. IO is binary. So in file modes I told you IO is binary means we are going to write data to the binary file. IO is binary. Then close the bracket, semicolon. So f out dot write off. File out. F out means file out. Dot write. File out dot write. Char means character. Asterisk means value. Ampersand address. Where we are writing? In yes. So we are telling writing address. So here yes is a memory location which belongs to this class. Ampersand yes, comma, size of yes. Yes memory location size. Okay. So since space is not one line. This is the second line starting here, ending here. Third line starting here, ending here. You write in exam in one single line. Once again, student test. We created here memory location. Off stream, F out means file out. So this is the file name. iOS binary means we are going to file out means what? Writing. File in means reading. Okay? So F out dot write off. We are asking to write. So character. Asterisk means value. Ampersand address means this location address. Size of this. How much memory location it will occupy. So next one. This we saw about write off operation. Next we are going to see about read off. So next binary function is read off. So what do you mean by read off? What do you mean by read off? Read off means it is used to read from a binary file. It is used to read. It is used to read from binary file. It is used to read. It is used to read from binary file. It is used to read from binary file. Okay. So the second point, in order to read, we are going to use ifstream class. Which class we are using? Ifstream class. Ifstream class we are going to use. Now I am going to write down the syntax. So for every function you should know what is its purpose, what is the syntax, what is example. You need not that it is tough, I know it is tough, but we should practice on which question they will ask we don't know. Because they already reduced our syllabus. If stream object dot read char asterisk, I told you in that also it is there. Char asterisk ampersand variable. All are similar. If you write all of the syntaxes in one place, you will feel easy. Size of variable. Size of variable. Okay. So if stream. In order to read, we use if stream object. So we have to read. So we wrote read off. You can see this off from here to here. So inside this off, character, value, and address of memory location, size of that memory location. Okay. Now we will see example of read off function. Example of read off function. So student yes. Textbook should be there, student. Everyone should have textbook with respect to computers. F stream in. Okay. So the file name is std.dat is the file name, students. iOS binary. In 5 months I told. In order to read or write a binary file, we use iOS binary. Close it and semicolon. Fin means file input. So I told read means we use fin, file input. Read. What to read? So here we are going to mention clearly character. Okay. So what is its value? Asterisk means value. So ampersand address, ampersand s means yes, I told no, one memory will be there, is address. Next, size of yes. Size of yes. Okay, size of yes. So this is one line, and this is the other line. So you write down read of syntax, write of syntax. Read of example, write of example. Read of definition, write of definition. Like that, when you are practicing how you should write down is prepare a column, students. Okay. So text file, what are the functions in text file? What are the functions in binary file? Text file functions, what are there? Binary file functions, what are they? So in text file, the functions are get line of, put off. Get line of put off. Okay, put off. So what are the functions on binary file? Read off and write off. Read off and write off. So for all these functions, what you should study, you should write, take one rough paper and you should write what is its purpose. Okay, what is the purpose and what is the stream class we are going to use. What is the stream class we will use and what is the syntax and example. What is the syntax of it and what is the example of it. Okay, what is the syntax and example we are going to see. So entire chapter I did video, I am doing videos again. Then important questions 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months also I did videos. Every kind of help. 6 to 7 evening I am taking class. Okay, 7 to 8, not 6 to 7. So next one what we are going to see is detecting end of file in the next video. Thank you students.